Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Windows, system32, config, system profile, desktop is unavailable error on Windows 10. Open Explorer. Click this PC, C drive. Click Windows, system32. Click Config. Click Continue. Click System Profile. Click Continue. Create new folder name as Desktop. Right-click Desktop, Properties. Click Security tab. Click Edit. Click Add. Type everyone, click Check Name. Click OK to continue. Select Full Control. Click Apply, Yes. Click OK. Click OK. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.